Welcome back to the channel. You got your girl, Purple, and baby. Let me show you guys the baby today. This is what the baby bump is looking like. So guys, today your girl Purple has to do laundry, and I'm taking you guys along with me. No, I don't sit around the house doing laundry all day in the middle of this and that. I pack it up, I go to the laundromat and get it done within like an hour to an hour and a half tops. And this video is also going to contain the way you can win my first giveaway of this year. So if you want to be the winner of that, and you want to see me struggling at the laundromat with the baby, then stay tuned. Okay guys, I've made it in the car. I got the laundry in the trunk, and I have breakfast on the go. I have one of those little frozen croissant sandwich breakfast meal thingies with the sausage, egg, and cheese. This is going to be breakfast for me because I didn't feel like cooking nothing or making nothing else. And I want to get to the laundry and get back home because it looks like it has an overcast today. And I'm not trying to get caught up in the rain. And of course I have my water. Okay guys, I'm at the laundromat. As you can see, it is Wonderful Wednesday. Like I told you guys, it's $2 day here. And it's pretty empty in here. There's one lady in here that just put her clothes in and she left out of the building. So I'm in here by myself right now. I'm tired already, y'all. I've loaded up 3 machines here that I will be using for my laundry, and I've already put 2 of the washing things, whatever these things are, packets. I put 2 of these in each machine already, and this laundromat has cards that you use to start the machine, but the card system is out of order today, so I had to freaking get quarters. So I always come prepared. So I have a Ziploc bag that I put the quarters in. So here are the quarters that I'll be using. I got $10 worth of quarters. There are 3 machines, they're $2 a piece, so you do the math. And this is the card that you normally would use. To swipe the card, you know, you put the money on there through the little machine over there, and you just use it like a credit card in here, but it's not working today. Last time I came in, it wasn't working, so I figured they didn't fix it yet. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start up all 3 machines. I'm also gonna use a cup and a half of this washing liquid. Is also I'm also going to use a cup and a half of this in each machine, because I don't think those little laundry things give enough. I don't know, it's just me, but I do use the liquid also. So I'll be starting up my machines. Now guys, you see what I mean about the amount of soap in the machine. I put 2 of those pot packets in there and a cup and a half of liquid detergent. And as you can see a little bit of suds. I don't know if it's coming through on the video or not. But it's not like super soapy, but I know there's enough in there though. Whew. Lord, I'm out of it. Whew. It took me exactly an hour and 7 minutes to do my laundry. Everything's washed and folded in the trunk. I am exhausted, guys. Whew. Probably could have been done a little faster, but I'm in baby motion. Yeah, slowed down version of myself. So I'll tell you guys how you can win my first giveaway when I catch my breath. Okay guys, I'm pulling into the Dollar General. Gotta go in here and see if I find some little goodies to go inside of some of the bags that I will be doing for my baby shower. I will be having a diaper rifle at my baby shower, so there are gonna be several people that are gonna win things from just bringing a pack of diapers. So let's see what I can find in here. Hey y'all, fam, let me tell y'all something. I went in that store, I didn't find nothing that I went in there looking for. I went in there looking for some extra things to go inside of the bags. I found nothing but snacks for myself. I got some sweet and salty peanut granola bars. I thought these was cool. I only got one of each though, just to see if I like them. Mango juice drink by Del Monte, and I got the pineapple kind too, and it says not from concentrate, which is what the part that intrigued me about it. Yeah, so we're gonna try these out and see how they taste, and see if the baby likes them, see if it does anything to me. But first, she finna snack. She, me, I, me. When I say she. My next stop is back to the house, guys. I'm gonna do some moving of some stuff around. Starting to get the baby room situated. I have a lot of clothes in there that I have to go through, things that I can't wear, not because I'm preggo, but because I lost the weight. But now that I'm pregnant, I don't really want to get rid of it because I'm not sure what size I'm going to be after the baby. So I'm going to be going through some of the clothes, sorting things out, putting them in the plastic bins, and have somebody to bring them out on the garage. Organize it for me out on the garage, because I'm not going out in the garage. So what the heck they looking at? They think I'm talking to myself, I guess. Mind your business. These things good. Y'all like these?